Cobra.
And I'm Frog.
Today we are learning about 10 animals that stay together for life.
The last one may surprise you, so watch until the end.
Number 10.
Swan.
Swans are often a symbol of love, probably because they are graceful, and swans form lifelong bonds.
You're still the one I want for life.
9. Wolves.
Wolves typically live in packs, led by an alpha pair that stays together for life.
Doesn't really matter if you're on the run. It seems like we're meant to be.
8. Beavers. Beavers often find lifelong companions and build their dam together. Beavers communicate with each other through their voices, their posture, and tail slapping.
For the rest of my life, you don't have to think twice.
7. Gibbons.
These apes are known for their strong bond, and they sing duets together.
No cloud up in the sky. I'll be your shoulder when you cry. I am your angel.
Some cockatoo species form close bonds with their mates and can even become depressed if they are separated.
I believe that the heart does go on.
5. Penguins. Many penguin species stay with the same mate until it dies or doesn't return to the colony.
Oh, Mr. Webster could never define what's being said between your heart and mine.
4. Bald eagles.
Bald eagles build a nest together and return to it year after year. They renovate the nest every year to make it larger.
Don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep 'cause I miss you, baby. And I don't wanna miss a thing.
3. Prairie voles.
Prairie voles form strong bonds with their partners. They share responsibilities for building nests and raising their young.
It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you. And can you feel the love tonight?
2. Foxes. If a fox's mate is killed, the male fox may refuse to take another mate. And the last one is 1. Termites.
This one's crazy. Even though they're insects, termite colonies are often founded by a single pair that remains together.
You know it's true. Everything I do it for you.
There are so many more too,
Like coyotes, lots of birds, some lizards, horses,
some fish, and more!
Let's do a joke. What do you call two birds in love?
I don't know.
Sweethearts.
Thanks to Russ for joining us. Subscribe to the Adventure Brothers Show.